Hello students, we shall continue the lesson reproduction in lower and higher animals. The process of fertilization, let us discuss. Fertilization is union of male and female gamete. They have got the haploid set of chromosome, they mix up and diploid is attained. It involves the fusion of male and female gametes resulting in zygote. Fertilization is internal. Zygote restores diploidy. The fertilization occurs in the place of the fallopian tube called to be the ampulla. Mechanism: semen contains sperms and about 1 ml contains 80 million of these sperms. 50% sperms are destroyed. Capacitization takes place 5 hours, means their movement. You can see the capacitation. With the help of certain ions, calcium ions, they get activated and they start movement. That is capacitation. Sperms remain viable for 5 minutes. Entry of sperm: the sperm, out of 400 million sperms, only few million manage to reach the ampulla. Means through the vaginal tube, the sperms, they starts, their movement is quite slow, 1 to 2 mm per minute, and they manage to reach through the uterus towards the fallopian tube in the ampulla and try to fertilize the egg. Only one sperm can manage to fertilize, and head enters through the zona pellucida into the egg, and egg is nothing but nucleus which has the about 23 number of chromosomes. See here, the sperms are taking entry through the zona pellucida. Activation of ovum. Now sperm have got the sperm cap. It contains the enzyme, lytic enzyme called to be the hyaluronidase. Once the egg is fertilized, it starts its second meiotic division. Third polar body is formed and it completes meiosis 2. The covering of male and female produce the male and female pronuclei degenerate, allowing chromosomal pairing. This result in synkaryon, means male gamete chromosomes and female gamete chromosome, they start pairing. Here actually the sperms, all the sperms are trying to enter the ovum or egg. Significance of fertilization: in the examination the question may come. Significance of fertilization. Fertilization means what? Union of male and female gamete. Secondary oocyte completes oogenesis and transforms to mature ovum. It completes its second meiotic division. Diploid number of chromosome is restored. Then it results in the variation, because it is a sexual reproduction. The male characters and female characters, they come through the chromosome, so it results in variation, and the actual sex of the offspring is determined. Embryonic development: once the female pronuclei may male pronuclei, they mix up, amphimixis takes place. Now chromosome starts pairing, and now actually this zygote, now we shall term the egg to be the zygote, because fertilized egg is called by the zygote. It starts getting divided meridionally, horizontally, like this, laterally, like this. Cleavage. In the examination you will be asked the question, describe the cleavage up to the morula. What is cleavage? Cleave, you must know cleave. It is process of mitotic division of zygote into hollow blastula. Cells are called blastomeres. Some cells are bigger in size, some cells are smaller in size. Cleavage is holoblastic. What is holoblastic? It is a completely egg is divided, but there is no development. First cleavage is, it occurs 30 hours after fertilization, and it is meridional. It divides longitudinally into two blastomeres. Second cleavage is also longitudinal, but to the right angle to the first. Now it should, in first cleavage I can tell you that 2 cells are formed. Second cleavage 4 cells are formed. But in the second cleavage, first cell divides, and after some time second cell divides. So second cleavage occurs 50 hours after fertilization. So third cleavage, first cleavage is longitudinal, second is also longitudinal but right angle to the first, and third cleavage is horizontal. Just like you can take the boiled egg, it is cut longitudinally for 2 times and through the center, that is horizontally. So these cells get redivide, but the size of the zygote does not increase, but they require more oxygen and energy. Cells get divided, redivided. Some cells are bigger in size, some cells are smaller in size, and on the 4th day embryo has 16 cell stage. 16 cell stage is called to the morula because it resembles the mulberry fruit. Outer cells are smaller, inner cells are larger. Outer cell will form the trophoblast, a food layer. You can see here 4 cell zygote, 8 cell zygote, and this is the 16 cell stage on the 3rd or 4th day, called to be the morula. So how the question will be coming? Explain the process of fertilization. Fertilization means what? Union of male and female gamete. Only one sperm can manage to enter the egg. Once the sperm enters the egg through the head, the nucleus of the egg is called pronucleus. Nucleus of the sperm is called pronucleus. These pronuclei mix up and the chromosomes are arranged, 46, 23 from mother, 23 from father, and diploid is attained. When one egg gets divided into 2 parts, that is called monozygotic twins, and if the 2 eggs are fertilized by the 2 sperms simultaneously, then these are the twins they are not that much identical, but they are dizygotic twins. So cleavage means what? Actually the egg gets cleaved longitudinally, horizontally, result into the morula and then blastula. So cells of the blastula outer side called to be the trophoblast, food layer, inner cell forms the proembryo or embryonal knob or future embryo. So the question will be like this: explain the cleavage up to the 16 cell stage or describe the process of fertilization. Every time you have to draw the diagram. In biology, always draw the diagram. Capacitation means what? Actually, due to the calcium ions, sperms get excited and get energy to move forward. Their movement is very slow.